Dito guys isang game na lang at mag-6,000 matches na ko sa Goshen. Kaya din ako nagtatlong isip at RG agad. Sabay auto-lock ko na agad.
Sure ka ba sa gas mo? Pang low rank lang yan na hero.
Di naman natin sila masisisi guys kasi mga immortal na sila at alam na nila yung mga meta at hindi meta ng mga hero. At early pa lang pinagtatawanan lang nila ako. Kaya di nalawan ko muna gold lane dito dahil early pa lang ang tabanan nitong Akay.
My brother across all the dimensions.
Di ko na sana tutulong gantong May gawa nga nung pinrush talk niya ako sa picking kaso syempre tao lang ako makokonsensya din. Pusa pala. Sobrang ganda nga ng laro namin sa early game guys kaso di ko inaasahan na mangyayari pagdating sa late game.
Someone called me a dude in one of those dimensions. Weird.
Not ready. Ally has been slain.
My skills just otherworldly.
Request backup. Ult is not ready.
Oh, it's in dimension 1561.
Monk is not ready. Godlike. Ult is not ready. Ult is not ready.
Keep up. Let's get this done quick. Got another mission in another dimension. Space Cannon!
Legendary.
You almost missed it.
Double kill. Battle spell and your ally has been slain. Launch attack. Legendary.
So bored.
Launch attack.
One of the dimensions.
Legendary.
Ito na yung sinabi ko guys akala namin matatapos na namin at eto pa yung nangyari.